A Fond du Lac man who lost tens of thousands of dollars worth of belongings after flooding ravaged his house last week is thankful today. Local 5's Justin Razavi shows us flood recovery efforts from a team of volunteers on North Lincoln Avenue.
I heard some banging at the bottom of the house, looked out, and there was probably 2 feet of water with giant icebergs floating around.
Ricky Neal says it only took about 20 to 30 minutes for the flood to take effect on his street.
The power went out and I was like, well, I can't stay, I gotta go. So I waited out the front door and waited down to the bridge through like waist deep ice cold water.
The Fond du Lac man says the floodwaters did at least $20,000 in damage to his home and possessions, including his brand new car.
The heartbreak was the brand new Camaro was completely trashed. Furnace, hot water heater, washer, dryer, everything in the basement was completely submerged.
This looks like a job for Team Rubicon. The service organization, comprised largely of veterans, spent their Saturday cleaning debris from Ricky's house, the house across the street, and the house next door.
They walked up to me. I think they were helping my neighbor, and they walked up and offered. I said, do you need anything? And I was like, I got to pull carpet, and they volunteered, and here we are.
The volunteers, who came from as far as southern Illinois, are staying in the nearby Harbor Haven Health and Rehabilitation Center as the recovery efforts continue.
You understand what these people are going through, and to be able to help them to get through that and make the first step to that recovery, that's a pretty good feeling.
It's an effort that Ricky Neal is grateful for.
They're awesome. Team Rubicon's awesome. I can't believe how many people come out to help for just out of the goodness of their heart. There's plenty of help out there. If you just look around, people actually come up and offer the help.
Reporting in Fond du Lac, Justin Razavi, Local 5 News.
Team Rubicon's cleanup in Fond du Lac began on Thursday and are expected to last a week.